WorldSkills competition is so important for young people because somehow there's the expectation that unless you go to university, you've failed. But, if you look at every economy around the world, it's the people who produce in a global market. Skills build economies, skills change worlds. WorldSkills plays a very important platform in showcasing skills excellence, showcasing career opportunities for the future. It's a way to benchmark education and training systems around the world.